This is a 4-rail vinyl gate kit tutorial. We're going to show you how to assemble our single gates. In a single gate kit, you'll have 2 uprights. Notice there's single pegs and double pegs. You'll have your rails, the steel for the rails. This one happens to have a wheel. You'll have a latch, hinges. For a double gate, it's just going to double the quantity. This double gate kit has wheels and drop rod. All double gates come with drop rods. The wheels are an addition. Just talk to your sales rep. The single peg side, you notice the rail will slide back and forth. That's why we put double pegs. So when it's put together, your rails won't slide. For your carriers, the drop rod goes in the slot with the opened end. Drop rod holder on the bottom, drive that into the ground or put it in concrete, and the wheel goes on the other side. Put the steel on the long peg, and then get your vinyl rails and slide it in position just like so. When you're sliding these in, just make sure that they're going into the right groove of the rail so everything is evenly spaced. And then get the upright on the other side and just slide those into the steel. All of our gates come pre-cut 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can make those double gates. If you need to make it shorter, just cut the rail with the chop saw. You can also cut the steel. Get straps and make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want to bow the gate, but you do want it to be nice and snug, and make sure those rails sit flush against the frame. Notice how there's a little gap on that one. Just want to put the strap closer to that point and then ratchet it down a little bit more. And that will pull that gap out. On all the rails, you're going to go into the long peg, not the short peg, the long one. So wherever that lines up, you're going to mark 1 inch and 3 inches. You'll have 2 screws for each side of the rail. And that's what we're marking out, where those screws are going to go. When you screw these in, notice you're going into a round pipe, so you have to get it right at the peak of that pipe. If you get it on the side, your screw will slip and it'll start running through the vinyl, so just really make sure you get that right. When you start to screw, you'll just cut the hole in the vinyl, and then it'll start to cut the steel and really push hard to get through it. And then just get the little white caps and put on the screw heads to clean it up. And that is the finished product. That is a super strong gate. For more tutorials, visit wholesalevinylfencing.net.